Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer loyalty points with Delta SkyMiles step by step. To transfer your Delta SkyMiles loyalty points, start by visiting the Delta Airlines website. Log into your Delta SkyMiles account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the SkyMiles section of the website. Look for the Transfer Miles option, usually found in the drop-down menu. Click on Transfer Miles to reach the next page. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's SkyMiles account number. Carefully input the account number to ensure accuracy. Next, specify the number of miles you wish to transfer. Be aware of the minimum and maximum transfer limits set by Delta. Review the transfer fee, as there is typically a cost associated with transferring miles. Once you have confirmed the details, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information to cover any fees incurred. After completing the payment, review the transaction summary. If everything is correct, submit your transfer request. You should receive a confirmation email once the transaction is processed. Keep in mind that miles can take a few hours to reflect in the recipient's account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Delta's customer service for assistance. Make sure to check the transfer policies regularly, as they may change. Now you're ready to transfer your Delta SkyMiles smoothly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.